The 2022 Teamwork Award goes to Frank Horton and Kevin Steele, who took the meaning of having each other's backs a step further. Nominator Chris Bruns didn't know what the future held after receiving a cancer diagnosis that caused him to step away from his role as a custodial supervisor for 6 months. That's when Kevin and Frank stepped in to fill the gaps until Chris's remission allowed him to return to work. Chris said, "When I received my news, Frank was one of the first people I told. He knew right away that he would now have to take on a larger role. He did just that. He was now the go-to person." Other co-workers nominated Frank as a great lead custodian and said he's thoughtful, understanding, and an incredible worker. He spends his time wisely by taking online courses to improve work performance. Thank you, Kevin and Frank, for being there for your co-workers when they needed you the most.